revive. Crazy resuscitation measures of
Brand new deal influence this morning in the snow that continues to fall in Chicago. As we set a new record for snow on Tuesday at O'Hare.
It was almost that windy
All
here.
through the night, well, blizzard conditions making it downright impossible to do any kind of traveling, let alone just walking around out there. Massive system indeed, and
You don't get
continues to
stuck
come
when
to
you
the
walk
Midwest.
around.
Now parts of the Northeast. Our radio department, they have been on this, no doubt about it, full force tracking the storm for affiliates throughout the affected region. Joining us now, we've got Ray Stajic. Ray, how are the folks out there dealing with the snow and the ice that they are seeing at this moment?
So first of all, you know,
I think it's similar to levels
two
of
things. Leading a little bit earlier, snow
experience,
a
but I
little bit
think it's
harder for
just a
morning
different
drive.
thing.
So that's the thing we'll be emphasizing.
And then
Places like Utica,
Oh, I know what it is now,
City
Chris.
this morning where they're going to see
That's
some
a clock.
significant icing. But we're going to go to
Yes.
the capital of New York State. Tom Regati with WGY Albany. He's the affiliate here in Albany that I speak on in the morning hours. At Tom, tell me a little bit more. We talked last hour. What's changed since then? Intensity of the snow and what's going on?
4 hours and 50 minutes to get your driving customer.
You know, the snow is definitely coming down at a pace where it's going to be very difficult to get out and do any sort of driving or traveling here today. Most flights out of Albany International Airport have already been canceled. The government of City of Albany has decided to close for today. All government buildings are closed. University of Albany, the big college campus, is closed. Some other smaller college campuses in the region have also decided to cancel classes for today. And even Crossgate Mall, which is the biggest shopping mall in the region, they're not going to open until noontime, 2 hours late. So this storm is really impacting just about everybody and everything.
Yeah, that's good information to have. You know, you get places like the mall closing, and hey, those big news when people can't shop. So Alex, it's Tom Regati there with us, and it does look like things deteriorated here early for morning drive in the Capital District. Capital New York State looks like they're taking it right on the chin, Alex.
Man, absolutely. Yet another storm system to impact the area. And you know what? We're going to be tracking another one. This one may bring some more snow to parts of the south. Thanks so much, Ray, for giving us that report. We're watching this area right here. This is the water vapor area. What we are picking out is this
baseball field
spinning here. That's the next.
But it's so like 14 hours, 30
southwest and the western portions
Yay,
of Texas.
giant
That's
cloud.
going to help
Immediately located
to
next to the
initiate
baseball.
this area of low pressure now,
That's
right along
awesome.
the Gulf Coast.
Giant
Some
cloud.
showers northward now. Now remember,
Giant
cold air in
Giant
place.
cloud.
We've got that
Oh, it's
cold air
like-
that's driving southward. So we're going to see some
Probably
of these areas here as we get into Thursday into Friday.
just built like
Texas
tanks.
into Louisiana, parts of the lower Mississippi Valley. We've got pink showing up on the map. Not what we want to see. Pretty rains and snow possibilities around Houston as well. Looks like a wet situation in Atlanta, but then the system works in the northeast, and yet again, we may be talking wintry weather into parts of New England and sections of the northeast.
It's snow showers.
We'll be back with your heading up forecast.
Oh.
Revolutionary
There
technology
might be like an extra inch or two.
driven by precision. Trump missions as advanced as vehicle space service.
Chicago Cubs will have
Now get all of this
some
expertise
blind
practice.
Shaolin.
Like first stop
The show window runs of the MLB.
$74.95 or less
That
price.
isn't showing the Chicago Cubs though.
Not just service.
I want more
Service.
food.
Only at your Chevrolet.
Yeah, I'm in it for the challenge, Alex. Don't tell me about a dog. Tell me about 4 dogs, a daycare full of kids, 2 free-ranging house chickens.
Oh.
Now that's what I call a day's work.
Yeah. Yay, go giant plow.
That boulder is like your insurance deductible. Big. Always hanging over your head. But Fantasy Deductible from Nationwide Insurance takes $100 off your deductible every year you're a safe driver until...
Amazing! You saved me.
Oh, it's just an analogy. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh. Nationwide is on your side. That's very good.
What you got there?
Sesame stir fry from Lucky Dynasty.
Oh, me too. But mine's lean cuisine, so no preservatives.
Wait, did you say?
I did. No preservatives.
Only Lean Cuisine's got over 90 dishes with no preservatives, like sesame stir fry with chicken. It's farmed broccoli and bell peppers and 100% tender white meat chickens, steamed in a savory sesame sauce.
Yum.
Yum is right.
Can I have a bite?
No preservatives, all delicious. Lean Cuisine.
For constipation relief, nothing works better than Miralax. It's the one recommended by more doctors.
with no harsh side effects.
Miralax is the only one. Restore your body's natural rhythm with Miralax.
Than weather, winter weather.
Our massive winter storm system on this Wednesday morning, trying to head out. It'll be tough in some spots. Here we go in and around New York City. Ice storm warning in effect. We've got freezing rain in place at this point. And again, traveling is very, very tough to do so. So if you don't have to be out there, certainly avoid heading out to those spots. Detroit, snow showers lingering around. That is heavy as we have seen around. And we'll see some more wind back on in. So early morning, a bit of a break, but we'll see some more snow before it's all said and done. And then on the southern edge of the system, of course, we've been tracking the rain.
No, Charleston is still off to a good start.
Steady rain impacting some Charleston.
Giant flowers.
Flower day. How about as you head on home while we'll be watching and tracking more of that snow impact across a good chunk of the region. Here's Memphis for us. Saying here we go, looking at the Northeast first.
Mike Wallace is funny guy for
keep that snow going. Three snow showers there for Conference, Detroit, and start to see that tapering off a little bit. Here we go a little bit farther south now. A few showers from Tampa to Daytona, right along Interstate 4. All right, well, coming up in a bit is a special edition of Wake Up with Al, starting at 5 o'clock. We're going to read now some pictures coming in from the storm system. Look at all the ice coming down. This is coming in out of Marysville, Ohio.